Hi, I'm Ray from Windsor Vineyards, and I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful personalized wine label using our online label maker tool at windsorvineyards.com. So there's 3 easy steps to creating a label. First, we're going to pick one of our professionally designed templates. Second, we're going to add our own images and text to it. And third, we're going to pick out a wine and add the label to the wine in the shopping cart. Ready? Let's get started.
The first step in creating a label at windsorvineyards.com is to select a label template. Just navigate your way to the personalized section of the website, and you'll see the label section organized here in categories. We've got weddings, birthdays, holidays, etc. I like to start with most popular. Now that you're in the most popular labels section, you can see all the labels you can choose from. All of our label templates allow you to personalize the text, and some, like this photo frame label here, allow you to upload your own photos from your hard drive. So let's go ahead and start with this one. After a few moments, the label template will load in the label maker, and this is where you'll change the text and upload your photo. Similar to PowerPoint or other graphics program, you can edit the text right here on the preview. All the text that shows an orange box around it when you click on it is editable. Similarly, the same goes for this placeholder image here. You can see that it shows an orange box around it as well. You can change the look of your text using these tools over here on the right. You can change font, you can change font size, or your alignment. And these are the image tools down here, and they become active when you select a photo area over here on the left. Now, my sister's anniversary is coming up, and I know they'd love a case of wine with their label on it, so I'm going to create a label with their photo using this template here. So first, I'll change this text right here in place. Congratulations, Amy and Andy Smith. Oh, notice I went a little bit too far, and I've got a warning that says I'm out of room. You can either change that by shortening this text or changing the font size over here. I'm going to go ahead and keep this as it is because larger text always reads better on a label. So we'll just say Amy and Andy. And now we'll change this text down here on the bottom. Happy anniversary from your brother. And I like the way this looks, so I'm going to put the date down here. June 15th, 2010. Now I'm going to replace this placeholder photo with my own picture. To upload an image, all you need to do is click on the photo area to make it active. You can see the orange line around it now, and notice the photo tools over here on the right became active. I'll click Add Image and find the photo I would like to use on my hard drive. Note that the best and safest type of file to use is a JPEG. It's also good to use an image with at least 150 dpi or better. So here's Amy and Andy. Now the image appears inside the frame. Notice it looks a little bit small, so I'll change the size using this slider to make it look about how I want. So I'll scale up a little bit. There we go. That's about right. Now the picture is about the right size, and I'll move it around until it centers the way I want it. Notice you can either click and drag, or you can use these tools over here to move the image back and forth. And lastly, if your image is at an angle you don't like, notice you can rotate it using these buttons here, right and left. Now I think our label's looking pretty good. If you want to admire your handiwork, you can click Show Hide Bounding Boxes to hide all the labels, and go ahead and proof it for spelling, make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Now I think this is looking pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. When you click the Save button here, if you're not logged in, it'll prompt you for an email address and a password, and if you haven't shopped with Windsor Vineyards before, you can create an account here. All you have to do is put in an email address and a password. It'll prompt you for the name of the file. I'll call this Amy's Anniversary, and click OK. It may take a minute or two to save. And now my new label is saved here in the My Labels area. You can access this anytime you're logged in. You can make as many labels as you like, and you'll always find them right here. Now all we need to do is attach this label to the wine we've selected. I previously put a case of my sister's favorite Cabernet into my shopping cart, so let's go straight there. Click View Cart. You'll notice on each item in the shopping cart, you'll see this drop-down which has the names of all your saved labels. You can see here we have Amy's Anniversary. It's a label we just created. So all we need to do is select this, and then we can see a little preview there and proceed to the online checkout. Note that if you don't select a label, your wine will ship with our standard Windsor Vineyards logo label.
And that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch the demo. If you have any questions at all, remember you can give us a call anytime at 800-289-9463. One of our personal wine consultants will be happy to help you select a wine or help you out with the label if you need it. Thanks again. Cheers.